Menteri rangba ka jela Konrad ke sangma ulapan pau ka jingbam sngaw ya hap nyakren halor ki khubor bayadai bar ka jingthmu jong nongelam ka UDP uba polling do ba unwan penyaso syaka National People's Party NPP dakaba ong kadang kloy palat penyakren halor kani ngidan ya ka jinga dai paralok ka bajan ngiju yakren lang yaki kamsan perthai nga tharai baya mentahi banchukren kut ba unwan penyaso nga sngo ba kapor kadang kloy palat kampat dei kapor ke babiang banyak keren kini ki baro ong ukonran haba benram bakum kini ki jingya keren ki dei ki ba jiabet haki kamsan perthai kani ka jinggan tho jong ukonran kalawan long halor ki jingmi khubor ba uba polling do ula banlet penyaso no syaka NPP kata hadin ka jingbujli syuki menteri ha ubnai nailur baladam namar ka jingsha weng no nakashuki kum menteri katana tourism ha kan ni ka jingbujli menteri la sakhi ka jingsha weng no jong hadup prangut nakakinhun menteri kentup ya uba polling do bat prangut kidur thamai kilasha penrong hapu ka kinhun menteri u konrad ula banjur baka kamsan perthai ka kentup ya ki jinga keren bat jinga silong bat ha ka bakut ya ki rai on sapen pautat andala dei kapor kidon shibun ki bajia ha ka kamsan perthai dangshen kiladon ki baong yang nga bakat tu kat niki MLA ke NPP kitmu ban I no bat nga keli na phi ha katei ka por ngobha ai ka kerteng jong kini ki MLA nganya keren bat ki bat ban pun sngo thu eki bakinam mi no kumta kum kini ki jia ha ka kam san perthei kidon shibun ki jinga keren bat jinga slok henry ha ka bakut hi tungin ya pet ke ka bajia bat andala dei ka por ngin sapun tip sha phi ula banram.
No, I see. These are political aspects, which, of course, only when time is appropriate that will come out. But we are good friends. We are always, we have always discussed politics together, and we have always, had many discussions. But I think right now to jump to a conclusion that you'll be joining and all is, I think, a bit premature right now. It's not the appropriate time to discuss all of these things. There is a lot of politics that happens. Many people from my side, last time I think it was yourself or somebody was talking to me and telling me that some NPP MLAs plan to leave. And I had asked you that time, please give me the name of those NPP MLAs. I'll talk to them and convince them that they should not leave. So this happens in politics. So there's a lot of talk, discussions, it takes place. But I think at the end of the day, let's see how things unfold. And when the final time comes, we will